How to use parental control in Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control on Facebook. So if you want to use parental control on Facebook, you could log into a teen's account and go to their settings and privacy. First of all, open up your Facebook. Where is it? Here it is. After you're logged into your Facebook account, what next you want to do is you simply want to tap on the menu bar and then click on the settings and privacy section from the top right hand side corner of your page. Over here, you want to scroll down and there you have tools and resources, and then it's the family center section. Click that out and then you want to click on create invitation. Alright, once you click on the create invitation, you want to share the link, and what you have to do is you want to share the link to a person or the teens. So this way you could go ahead and do it. So, and when the other person receives the invitation, then you could go ahead and manage the teen's time on the app and other settings as well. For existing teen account, the settings are automatically applied and parent can manage them through the teen's account settings as well. So this is how you could use a parental control in Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.